greensandmachines.com.
Alright folks, here's a quick run through of the garden here. This is a new container where I planted some sunflowers for the sunflower challenge. They haven't germinated yet because I only did it a few days ago. So through here, most of these Napa cabbages I guess bolted. I got like one remaining, but it looks like it got torn to shreds by insects. All these grapes they're looking great. Tomato plant here, doing fine. I've taken a lot of the suckers off so I can propagate them and put them in the hydroponic garden over yonder. Carrots. Yeah, I'm actually growing carrots this year, believe it or not. Part of my pandemic garden. Red Russian kale, I'm doing fine. These Swiss chard here, they're bolting, as you can see. It's going to seed here, and there's a lot of like little bugs nestled in here. I kind of want to get some Swiss chard seeds because I'm running low. I want that bird, shut up. The two peppers, I snipped the tops off of both of them. So you can see they're growing bushier and bushier. This is the Serrano. The anime over here you can see is growing a lot of flowers in the back. Let's move on. Get a baby bok choy. I'm going to have to harvest it soon because I'm seeing it go to seed. It also looks like it's a little malnourished because it's kind of yellow. There's a carrot. Here are 3 basil plants that I propagated from the mother plant. They're actually doing really well, and I've actually propagated all these again. Got all those cuttings up in my bedroom. And there's a mint plant from the mint plant right up here. The mint came back and it's looking great. Rosemary, no complaints here. I heard you could propagate these also. I've got some cuttings as part of an experiment. We'll see what happens. Another mint. Arugula. I just kind of threw it in a cup. And you kind of could guess that would happen. I've got a bunch of celery. I'm going to probably cut the greens off of these, whichever remain, eat them up in a salad. More arugula. More red Russian kale. This is great. Another baby bok choy. This one is going to seed. You can see closely, there's flower pods there. There's a Swiss chard. Actually looking great. All these grapevines, the Tempranillo cuttings, I believe all but like maybe one of them actually came up. Which is this one here, unfortunately. We have catnip. I'm going to have to feed the cat some of this soon. It's looking great. Here's the other Anaheim pepper. I also snipped the top off of this one. Getting bushy. Basil. This is the original plant I bought, and now it's kind of dying. Got more catnip in the back here, coming back to life. Thank goodness. More arugula. I don't quite remember what I threw in there, and it doesn't seem like it's growing. Down here, we've got radishes. I'm not sure how the bulbs are doing. This one you can kind of see a little bulb. I always got to grow radishes just so I can have the first crop of the season. More carrots, and it looks like a lettuce came up actually, because I originally planted lettuce in these and they never germinated, and now so one or two. And one more. My buddy gave me a strawberry plant from his garden that just pulled out of the ground as a sucker. So it seems to be doing okay. Hopefully get a strawberry sooner or later. So yeah, there we go. That's how the garden's looking this lovely May the 4th. See you again on Greens and Machines.